Hi, I'm Jen. I'm a science and avid teacher, and today I'm thrilled to show you how you can create an inclusive classroom with Flipgrid. Flipgrid is a truly world-class, inclusive, and accessible platform. And now, with every new grid you create, closed captioning and transcripts are automatically activated, powered by Microsoft Azure. For your existing grids, you can easily toggle on this powerful tool by logging into your educator admin, navigating to your grid settings, and toggling on transcripts. The magic continues. Students can launch the Microsoft Immersive Reader with every video transcript to better analyze and understand their peers. Student voice is more than spoken word, and Flipgrid's all-new recorder revolutionizes how your community can share their learning and engage with peers. With styles, text, emojis, live inking, and more, creating a compelling and enriching story on the free Flipgrid app or on Flipgrid.com is simple, powerful, and fun.